In this video, we'll go over how workflow can be used to route documents from users to users within the Laserfiche repository. For this example, invoices that are being processed into the financial department need to be approved or denied by clerks and then sent to the comptroller for final approval or denial. Using quick fields, we'll send invoices for Doe Company and Smith Company to the Laserfiche repository. From there, we can use the Laserfiche client and log in as the clerk responsible for company names A through H, and go to the A through H companies folder, where we see that we can now open the Doe Company invoice file. From here, the clerk can now review the invoice and either approve or deny the invoice by using the drop-down field. Once the invoice is saved, we can log out and back in as the clerk responsible for Q through Z companies. We can do the same process on the Smith Company invoice. Using the drop-down menu, we'll approve it, save it. Now both documents have been routed to the comptroller folder, which means we need to log in as the comptroller. Once inside, we see that comptroller has the comptroller folder, and both the Smith Company invoice and the Doe Company invoice have been added to the comptroller folder. The comptroller can now open up each invoice, see that the sticky note has been added to the document stating that it has been approved by the clerk. Now the comptroller can review the document and either approve or deny using the drop-down menu. In the case of Doe Company, the comptroller will deny the invoice. Now in the folder for approved, we see that the date has been added for approved files, and inside that folder, Smith Company is there. And if we open Smith Company's invoice, we can see a green sticky note has been added stating that it has been approved by the comptroller. If we go to the denied folder, we can see that Doe Company's invoice is now there, and it has a red sticky note attached to it saying that it was denied by the AP supervisor. As you can see, this is a very basic way workflow can be used to move documents through the Laserfiche repository.